This is Nicole, and I am back with another Influenster box. Influenster has sent me some items complimentary to test, review, and get my honest opinion. So if you are interested in knowing what is in this VOXBOX, then continue watching. Thank you for continuing to watch. I first would like to thank Influenster for sending me these products complimentary to review and give my honest opinion. So I got to start off by saying first, if you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Then hit that bell and turn on your post notifications so you will be notified of my next video. Like when I tell y'all, if you are not signed up for Influenster, I'm going to put the link in the description box so you can sign up and get complimentary items to review and test as well. So I received this on Friday. This is the Influenster's DAZZLE box. And the DAZZLE box has some amazing goodies in there. Now, I did peek in the box when I got it on Friday, but I waited to show y'all exactly what is in there. So I was given 3 items complimentary to review, test, and give my honest opinion. The first item I received is Clairol Professional Jazzy Semi-Permanent and Temporary Hair Color in the color Ruby Red Rouge. Now y'all know I'm not a stylist or into doing any hair, so y'all know I will be giving this to my friend DAZZLE to try out on some of these bundles. But yes, this was the first item in the bag, so if you want your bundles or your hair to have some ruby red and be kissed with that redness, then oh yeah, the hair on my face, then you're gonna want to try this product out. The little information, it states this is a 3-ounce bottle and it retails for $6.49. This says Jazzing Shiny Sheer Shade Spice Up Natural Color Permanent and Relaxed Hair with Temporary Without Heat or Semi-Permanent with Heat Results. The ammonia and peroxide free colors give you the freedom to change things whenever you like. You can change whenever you like. Yeah. So Instagram, you follow them at CLAIROL_pro. If you try this product, you're going to do hashtag jazzing and then hashtag Clairol Professional on Instagram. The next item is a Clairol Professional item. This is Clairol Professional I Thrive Keratin Rescue Split and Repair. This retails for $9.99. This is a 5.1 ounce container. And y'all, when I tell y'all, y'all know I'm gonna get my sew-ins to leave my little natural hair out in the leave out. So, DAZZLE girl, I'm bringing this to you so when I get my hair maintenance and done, we're gonna try this product. But for those that's watching, I can't try these products to die in this. But it states I Thrive Keratin Rescue Split and Repair is a lightweight finishing cream formulated with pentothal. It leaves dry, damaged hair smooth and frizz-free all the way to the ends. Oh, I might be able to try this for y'all. Damage 1 to 2 pumps in palm. Rub hands together and apply to damaged hair beginning to the ends, working upwards to the mid shaft and avoiding the roots. Twist hair strands for more defined curls. Do not rinse. Can be used to refresh or moisture ends as needed. People be like, Nicole, why you don't try that on camera? Well, this particular product, I can. Let me show you all the packaging. Let's see how it smells. It smells good. So since I got some natural hair out, I'm just gonna put like this much, rub it together. This is my natural hair right here. I'm gonna rub it to the ends. As y'all can see, I don't want to put like too much product on there, but I'm just gonna rub it on my little natural hair that's out. And yes, it smells really good. I didn't know if you all could see some of the ingredients. But yes, it says, so I did rub that on my hair, the parts that are not curled. But yes, this is a good product that Influenster has sent me, so thank you, Influenster. And the third product I got is Gold Bond. Gold Bond Ultimate Radiance Renewal. Sorry, that keratin, let me go back to that keratin. That retails for $9.99 if I didn't tell y'all. And use the same hashtags on Instagram. Gold Bond Ultimate Radiance Renewal retails at $5.99. This is a the 5.5 ounce is $5.99, and then the 14 ounces $7.99. So I am excited to tell y'all about this. And my skin, y'all, it be dry. I try Vaseline, I try vitamin E oil, ain't nothing cutting it. So ooh, yes to this. Gold Bond Ultimate Radiance Renewal Cream Oil combines the ultimate triple bond of coconut oil, cocoa butter, and African shea butter to deliver nourishing extended hydration. This new formula also contains gentle exfoliants to help remove dead skin, dry skin cells that cause skin to look flaky or ashy. Discover the ultimate way to help prevent visibly dry skin from coming back all day. Now y'all, just put on the little stuff. Y'all can see I'm ashy on there, so I'm definitely trying this. This has been dermatologist tested, non-greasy, and 24-hour moisturization. On Instagram, at goldbond_ultimate. Facebook, they are Gold Bond Ultimate. That's all together. And then hashtag Radiant Women. And I tell y'all that I am excited to try this because, yeah, my skin is very ashy. Very ashy. Oh, look at that. It's a cute packaging on there. Let me see if I can find some ash for y'all. Okay, prime example, that ashy elbow. I kept myself a little ashy because I was going to try this box out. So it comes out. As you can see, it comes out. Nice consistency. Y'all see that ash? Oh, it smells so good. Oh, yes, Gold Bond. Oh, I like that, y'all. I like that a lot. My other elbow a little ashy, so let's try some more. Okay, we'll try a little bit more. Put that on that elbow. Yeah, look at that. Oh, Gold Bond. Yes, yes, yes. So again, thank you, Influenster, for sending me these items complimentary to review and give my honest opinion. And y'all, I almost forgot, in the box, I have a coupon to go to Sally and get a free one of those keratin products, which is this one. I can get this one, and then I can get another color. So with summer and spring coming up, and y'all know I might color me some bundles. Duela, I'm coming with some products, girl. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post a video. Again, thank you, Influenster, for sending me these products complimentary to test, give my honest opinion about, and thumbs up to these products. 2 of them I did try with you all. The 3rd one, I will come back to you all about that. So again, I do thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.